Hello everyone, I got this paper salt grinder from Amazon. It looks pretty nice, made out of a pure wood with ceramic grinding wheel. It looks pretty nice, very stylish. It's 10-inch long. It has a very nice cutout. And like I said, you can use it for salt or pepper. If it's a good amount of pepper or salt in it, let's see how it works. So you start by unscrewing a top screw, take off the cap, and use whole paper cords, because this is what the grinder is for. Put a cap on and the screw. Also with this screw you adjust how big the grindings you want. And now let's try. And look at that. This is beautiful and it's very easy to grind. So like I said, it looks pretty nice. It's good for a gift, birthday gift, any occasion gift. And I definitely recommend this.